would like to ask you some questions from mathematics. Okay, so the first question is about squares and square roots. So could you please explain the main points about this chapter? And I would like to know what is Pythagorean triplet. That's all.
Oh, why it's named the square? Okay, so essentially for the first question, it is named a square because essentially if you draw an actual square, the geometric object, you'll find that its area is just the side length raised to the second power, which is why we call it a square. And in the same way, if you have a cube, then its volume is just the side length to the third power, which is why we call raising something to the third power being cubed. Now for the second question, a Pythagorean triple, you already know the Pythagorean theorem, of course. The hypotenuse of a triangle is the square root of the squares of the two sides. A Pythagorean triple is essentially a triplet of numbers that satisfy the Pythagorean theorem. Essentially, it's a right triangle with all integer lengths. So like, for example, the 3, 4, 5 triangle has all integer lengths and satisfies the Pythagorean theorem, which makes it a Pythagorean triplet. Thank you.
Thank you.